This presentation is intended to provide an introduction to the practical demonstrations carried out in the C-Service project. The main objective of the demonstrations is to show how new circular economy business models can be implemented and behave in the electric and electronic sector by using target products belonging to different electric and electronic categories. In the C-Service project, the demonstrations aim to implement and test the 4 novel circular economy business models developed for each of our target products with the support of new ICT services for bidirectional secure information exchange through the value and supply chains. In turn, the demonstrations will provide the basis to perform a technical, economic and environmental assessment of the new circular economy business models and validate their feasibility, establishing a comparison with the baseline business model of the company. This will allow the development of guidelines, policy recommendations, and key enablers for the replicability and transferability of the C-Service solutions and the definition of potential business cases based on exploitable results. The 4 large-scale demonstrations are the testing ground for the newly developed circular economy business models and ICT functionalities. They involve industrial partners across the whole electric and electronic value chains in Europe and belong to different electric and electronic categories. Large household appliances, represented by the washing machine, IT and telecommunications equipment, represented by the printers and the ALM system, and consumer equipment, represented by the TV set. Altogether, these categories are responsible for almost 80% of the waste electrical and electronic equipment collected in the European Union. The main innovation of the C-Service project is the development of circular economy business models supported by ICT tools that will enable all actors involved to maximize the impact of the proposed solutions. The methodology applied consisted in the implementation of the validated circular economy actions in each product-specific circular economy business models, including the support of the 3 ICT tools integrating the ICT platform. For the demonstration purposes, only the short-term actions were selected to be implemented so that they do not fall outside the scope of the demo. The C-Service concept for the new circular economy business models relies on the following solutions, services, and enablers. Eco-design solutions to improve the environmental performance of products, eco-leasing services for specific end users, which will include not only conventional leasing services, but also an optimized end-of-life management service with no added responsibility for end users. Enhanced and optimized schemes for management, prioritizing the preparation for reuse and remanufacturing. And life cycle sustainability assessment, considering environmental, social, and economic aspects to ensure the viability of the proposed solutions. The washing machine product is a model with a load capacity of 9 kilograms, energy efficiency class A++, and connectivity features. For the demo purposes, 100 units of an eco-designed model including increased recycled content have been produced. The printer product is not a single model, but rather a selection of models in the Lexmark portfolio representing the latest available technology and at the same time old enough to be able to find used ones for the refurbishment operations. The demo will focus on increasing circularity by promoting the refurbishment of Lexmark end-of-life devices. The ALM, Advanced Link Monitoring System, is a telecommunications device used for monitoring optical fiber networks. It is composed of an active units and many passive units or sensors. During the demo, newly developed fire and admission control sensors are being developed and will be tested at the customer location. The TV set is Smart TV Grandic model with an efficiency class A+. For the demo purposes, 100 units of an eco-designed model, including increased recycled content, have been produced. Each of the demonstrations is led by the manufacturer of the target product, who works together with the rest of the industrial partners, research organizations, and ICT developers on the short-term circular economy actions defined in the product-specific circular economy business model. The 4 practical demonstrations will examine the whole life cycle of the products in order to promote circularity at every stage: design and production phase, use phase, and end-of-life phase. The results will be reported by life cycle stage in the corresponding project deliverables. Thank you for your interest in the C-Service project. If you wish to receive further information on the demonstration activities, you can contact us through the project website.